Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out a good looking 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible.
This one don't sound like a 326, does it, D?
No, it's got a really nice sound to it. Really pretty color, just a nice driver. A lot of metallic in that blue. It's real sharp sitting out here.
It is. I mean, 5-10 feet away, it looks like an absolute show car. You get up close to it, it's just an older paint. We sold this one actually 6 years ago.
Awesome.
So previous owner gave us a call back. It was just time for them to sell it and move on to something else. So I'm glad they called us.
Yeah.
We love when we can get these classics back again.
They always put all these Pontiacs hood levers way down under there. Really smooth running 326. It's nice and quiet.
Got an Edelbrock intake, 4-barrel carburetor. Yeah, it runs really nice. And I love the Pontiac 400 hood. It just really adds to them.
I do too. Power steering, power brakes. Good looking engine compartment. Bottom side of the hood's nice.
Looks like the booster's been replaced not too long. Yeah, we replaced
We did that,
booster.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Bunch of
master
brake work.
cylinder. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was the main thing when it came in. The brakes pulled pretty hard to the right, and we went through all 4 wheels and master cylinder, booster.
Do we want to put the top up today and show it?
I don't think so. I think it's all right. If you want to, you can. Is the
It's
boot
all right.
on pretty tight?
I don't know.
We can put it up, but we will drive it with the top down. How's that sound?
That sounds like a winner.
As we go through, pretty nice tight gap all the way from front to back here. And again, this medium blue metallic has a ton of metallic in it. Looks really nice. I mean, you're going to find some little spots. There's a little burn through right here on the edge of the hood. Just a tiny light scratch right there. Front bumper looks excellent. Grille looks good. Valance looks nice. As Dalton's taking the boot off and we'll get that top ready to go. You look up and down the sides, really a pretty straight car. Tires look like they're in really good shape. Cooper Cobras, 215 7014s with the PMD rallies. It's got some little touch-ups right here, right along the edge of the door. Couple little touch-ups here. It looks like it's just got, you can see it's just got a couple tiny little chips right along that edge there. And that's what makes it just a driver, D.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Convertible top boots are like my worst enemy.
They are, aren't they? Bottom of the door fits in really nice to the bottom of the quarter there. Behind the rear wheels look great, no bubbles or blisters. Dual exhaust sounds good, comes out there. Wheel well trim's nice. Again, the bottom of the doors fit really good. Open the door here. You can see the original seam, so it hasn't had a lot of work done on it. Jam paint is good. It does have a crack in the paint right here on the jams, right there. Seats look good on it. Door panels are in good shape, front and back. It's got the original GM seat belts front and back as well. The door jamb paint you can see is just not as good as the paint on the outside, but not bad. Dash pad looks good. Does have tilt wheel and it's got a Grant GT wheel. Wood grain looks nice. Console's good. You got a power top on this one, D?
I just figured I'll put this in the trunk quick. And then we'll put the top up. Whoever's idea it was, put the top up. It's a terrible idea.
That was yours. Hey, got a car cover in here. Trunk is all speckled nice. There is a couple patches in the trunk right over here on the outside edge here. Driver's side's good. Make sure you go onto our website, coyoteclassics.com. You'll see probably 20 photos of the undercarriage as well. Here's keys. Back bumper looks great. I think it's just right under there. You can feel it probably on the other side.
Here it is.
Really runs
Starts,
quiet.
yeah, starts and runs really nice and easy.
You can leave it up if you want. It'll be quieter probably, huh?
Yeah.
That's got a nice black top. Looks like it's newer. Take a boot clip here. Nice top. Plastic back windows, nice and tight. As far as a quarter panel goes, quarter panel is in excellent shape. Dual exhaust looks nice, sounds nice. Over the wheel well is excellent. Passenger side corner of the door fit perfect. This one's had a little body work in the corner of the door, so it sticks out just a little bit. See that right there? Door gem paint is okay. Rubbers are nice and pliable. They've been replaced. Door panel's good. Couple chips right down here. One on the rocker panel. There's two on the rocker there. Bottom of the front fender looks good. Couple more of these, just a little bit of like 3 of them, little tiny chips here. They've been touched up. So again, not a trailer queen show car, but a good looking driver. Yep. Window goes up really nice, felt looks good, rubber is good. Seats are in good shape. I don't see really any rips or tears. As far as you can tell that the original, kind of original seat does, as far as the cushion is the original still. Tilt wheel's awful nice. Put that up. Dash pad and the paint on the dash is in really nice shape. Rear view mirror looks like that's been replaced. We got a new shop dog.
Yep, there's old Hank.
Can you see Hank?
Yeah.
I'm guessing my wife Lisa says it's time for me to take the dog. All right. Fuel gauge works on it. We'll get up here and just kind of heater fan works.
The truck coming to your left, boss.
Yeah.
Wipers work.
Yep.
The wood grain and stuff on it's real nice too.
Horn works as well. Runs nice, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Speedometer works. See how Michael did on the brakes. Nice job. Brake pedal's awesome. Again, they're drums, so that first time it's going to pull just a little bit until you stop it. Second time, really nice pedal. Oil pressure is great for a Pontiac engine at 35 pounds at an idle. Volt gauge does not work. Temperature gauge does. It's got a nice AM/FM radio here.
Sounds good.
It's one of those aftermarket ones that look 100% factory. They're
That
not
looks really
cheap.
nice.
Like I said, it's a beautiful car. The last people that owned it for 5 or 6 years took it to a bunch of parades and car shows, car cruises, just had a lot of fun with it.
Kick down works.
Yeah, and as soon as we warm it up a little bit, it's really going to run nice on the way back here. Look at that, y'all. Wow, drives great. It does, don't it?
Yeah. And there's your kick down.
Yeah, 65, 70. Your high-speed braking. Nice,
good.
isn't it?
Yes.
Go through the gears once, quick. Really good shift. Up into third. Oil pressure going down the roads, 50 pounds.
Nice.
Yeah, really nice running driving car. With convertibles, you're always going to have a little bit of wind noise.
Yeah. But
it seems
overall,
like
it's not bad.
No, not bad at all.
But as we expected with a convertible. Yeah, nice Firebird. Check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.